Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Make Our World Your Runway. Lights, camera, action. We're going to talk about a great event today. And as always, you know, this is the weekly show that interviews the most fascinating individuals from the world of modeling, fashion, beauty, business, and even the entertainment industry. And today we are going to go to the business industry and, like I said, talk about a fabulous event, one you will not want to miss. But of course, we do like to mention the sponsors that make this show so possible every week, and that is Lux Salon, Margaritaville at Sea, 100 Successful Women in Business, the Global Trade Chamber, and of course, Vita Designs. So sponsors, thank you so much for making this show very possible. And we also want to remind our subscribers to also subscribe to the Global Trade Chamber YouTube channel so that you can see all the shows from Make Our World Your Runway and Success Stories. And I highly recommend our viewers to tune into Success Stories. The show features the most amazing women in the world of business and community service. From humble beginnings to successful entrepreneurs, these women will totally inspire you. And as always, we tell you to get ready for some exciting conferences, speakers, and awards as 100 Successful Women in Business and the Global Trade Chamber come to a city near you. And the city that is going to be coming near to you is going to be Miami, Florida, November 4th and 5th. It's going to be a fabulous international trade show. We're going to talk more about that in a few moments. But we want to tell all women to come together because the impactful work of women in business and community service should be honored. And also, there's going to be a lot going on at that particular conference. We're going to be doing networking. We are going to have special conferences there, many conferences, a business expo, a fashion show, and of course, Make Our World Your Runway is going to go live, and we're going to be doing interviews there. So this is one show you do not want to miss. So for additional information, and we are going to talk about some things today, you do want to go to the website at www.100swb.com for all the information. Now keep in mind, all these shows are free to attend, but you must register because they're a complete sellout, and we're not only going to have women from locally, we're going to have women from around the United States and the world that are going to be participating in the show. So if you are an entrepreneur or business person, you do not want to miss this. Also, if you want to be an exhibitor and you want to be a speaker, because we're going to have some fabulous speakers there that are going to tell you about their business and how to grow your business as well. That's why you need to register now. So once again, go to the website at www.100swb.com. There you will see how to register if you just want to attend the event, if you want to be a speaker, and also if you want to be an exhibitor. So we look forward to seeing you in November. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to talk about the annual Women Business Conference that is going to take place November 5th and 6th. It's the 6th edition in Miami. Once again, networking, conference. There's going to be an awards dinner gala, business expo, and a fashion show. Like I said, one event you do not want to miss. And we're going to go over some details. Well, you might say to yourself, why attend the expo and conference? Well, the Women Business Expo and Conference 2025 is a premier global event for women entrepreneurs, professionals, and business leaders. As part of the International Roadshow, this high-impact event offers unparalleled opportunities to connect. You're going to learn and grow your business, and whether you're a startup or a well-established organization, the Expo and Conference serves as the ideal platform to enhance your brand and expand your network. We are expanding this event worldwide, creating new possibilities for you to reach global audiences. And that's the key there, not just local, but global audiences. So why would you want to be a sponsor? Most people would say that. Well, sponsoring the Women Business Expo and Conferences places your brand at the forefront of an influential, highly engaged audience of women, business owners, industry leaders, and decision makers. Here's why your brand should be part of this dynamic event. It's going to maximize brand visibility, showcase your company through prominent signage, exclusive networking opportunities, engage with key influencers and design makers from various cultures and industries during the VIP events. Direct product and service exposure. As a sponsor, you'll have direct access to showcase your products and services to a qualified audience and innovative solutions, and position your brand as an industry leader. That's very important. And sponsor keynote sessions, panel discussions, or workshops, allowing your company to provide valuable insights and establish through leaderships. And there's also sponsorship packages. They offer special sponsorship packages opportunities designed to help you meet your marketing and branding to take a leading role as a headline sponsor or focus on specific event aspects. There's a package for every business looking to increase visibility and connect with the right audience. Now, you can be a presenting sponsor, which gives you the opportunity to be top-tier branding, keynote address, VIP networking access, premium exhibit space, extensive digital exposure, complimentary passes, and recognition across all event collateral. So that's the presenting sponsor, and you will see that on the website. You also have an opportunity to be a platinum sponsor. Once again, branding on event materials, VIP networking access, exhibitor space, digital recognition, complimentary passes, and again, brand visibility in networking areas, which is very important to any business out there as well. You also, and now, the sponsorship summary. Once again, this is a great roadshow, okay, because 100 Successful Women in Business and the Global Trade Chamber have been in these following areas: Miami, Philadelphia, San Francisco, Dallas, Tampa, London. Oh my God, I was in London, absolutely fabulous. People are still talking about that. Sunrise, Florida, Pembroke Pines, Puerto Rico, Las Vegas, and recently Boca Raton, Florida. So once again, I'm going to sum it up. VIP access and networking, high profile visibility, lead generation, established thought leadership, and branding opportunities. Very, very important. And I'm going to add this as well. Many of my viewers out there know that I am part of the Global Trade Chamber and 100 Successful Women, but I'm also the CEO for the Miss International World and Miss Latina International pageant. Now you might say, what could the Chamber do to increase business for me? I have to let my viewers know that it has given me access to a lot of women out there that have joined the pageant and that have gone on, okay, once they've done the pageant, have gone on to some great things. So if it can do this for a beauty pageant, imagine what it can do for your business. So please take that into consideration when joining up to attend this conference. And we also have additional sponsorship opportunities. You can be a coffee break sponsor, a swag bag sponsor, or even a photo booth sponsor. Okay, all of this information, once again, is on the website. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. We just spoke about the big conference coming up November 4th and 5th in Miami, and I highly recommend anybody that has a business to attend this. You cannot go wrong. Visibility, increase the number of people that you deal with, and again, you're meeting people, okay, that could put your business into another level, and at the same time, you're building relationships. So I do want to thank everyone for tuning in today. We're going to put together some great visibility here, which you're going to love. And again, please go to the website, www.100swb.com, for all the information. Sign up today. You won't be sorry. I will be there. And if you want to be on my show, absolutely. It'll be a great event. So thank you for tuning in today. And next week, we are going to have a double feature on Make Our World Your Runway. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the Global Trade Chamber YouTube channel so that you can see this and all the shows from Make Our World Your Runway and Success Stories. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next week with a very special doubleheader.